AnchorWork S600. Redefine your virtual meetings with crystal clear sound and smart noise-canceling technology. Designed for professionals, this speakerphone features a 360-degree microphone array and adjustable voice pickup, ensuring everyone is heard with precision. The compact portable design fits seamlessly into any workspace, while its easy Bluetooth connectivity supports both laptops and mobile devices. Perfect for remote work, conference calls, or team collaborations, the AnchorWork speakerphone makes every conversation effortless and productive. Elevate your communication game today. InstaShower Go Pro. Transform your outdoor adventures with the convenience of instant hot water anywhere you go. This compact, lightweight water heater is perfect for camping, road trips, or even backyard use. With quick heating technology and built-in safety features like tip-over protection, it ensures reliable performance and peace of mind. Easy to set up and powered by propane, the Fogatti InstaShower delivers a steady flow of hot water for showers, dishwashing, or any outdoor need. Make every adventure more comfortable with this ultimate portable water solution. MODL Infinity Tool. This is a versatile tool with a modular design, allowing you to connect parts to create tools for various needs, from repairs, emergencies, to outdoor use. The product offers flexible customization, providing maximum convenience to users. Made from high-quality, durable materials, the MODL Infinity Tool is an excellent choice to ensure you are always prepared for any situation, enabling you to accomplish tasks quickly and efficiently. Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp. Transform your space with the Govee standing curtain lights, an innovative way to create an immersive ambiance. These dynamic lights offer millions of colors and adjustable brightness, perfect for enhancing any room. With a smart app that allows you to control the lights remotely, you can easily customize settings to match your mood or occasion. Whether it's for a movie night, party, or relaxing atmosphere, these lights are designed to bring your environment to life. Easy to install and designed for long-lasting performance. Darkrock D240. The Darkrock Liquid Radiator is a powerful liquid cooling solution designed to keep your PC cool even during the most demanding tasks. With its large radiator and customizable addressable RGB lighting, it not only optimizes performance but also adds a stunning visual element to your setup. The RGB lighting can be synchronized with other components, creating a cohesive and immersive look. Compatible with a wide range of CPUs, this cooler is the perfect choice for gamers and professionals looking to boost both performance and style in their systems. Laptop Screen Extender. The 235-degree rotation portable screen extender is a compact and versatile accessory designed to boost your productivity. It offers 235-degree rotation, allowing you to easily adjust the viewing angle for work, gaming, or media. Its detachable design makes it highly portable, ideal for professionals or students on the go. Compatible with a variety of devices, this screen extender adds convenience and efficiency, helping you stay productive wherever you are. SwitchBot. The SwitchBot Universal Remote is a smart and versatile device designed to control all your home electronics with ease. It allows you to manage TVs, air conditioners, and other IR-based devices through a single, compact remote. With customizable settings and compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and other smart home systems, this remote lets you control your devices with voice commands or via the SwitchBot app. Whether you're automating your home or simplifying device control, the SwitchBot Universal Remote offers convenience and smart functionality in one. Camillus Carnivore X18. The Camillus Carnivore X 18-inch machete is a versatile and durable tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. With an 18-inch titanium-bonded blade, it is ideal for cutting, chopping, sawing, and other tough tasks in the wilderness. The machete also features a built-in saw and a sharp tip for piercing, making it perfect for camping, hunting, or clearing brush. Its ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, providing comfort during extended use. Whether you're exploring the outdoors or working on tough projects, the Camillus Carnivore X is built to handle it all. Eufy Security EufyCam S330. The Eufy Security S330 Video Smart Lock is an all-in-one security solution designed to keep your home safe and secure. Combining a smart lock and video doorbell, it features fingerprint recognition for fast, keyless entry and a built-in 2K camera for crystal-clear video monitoring. You can easily manage access through the UFI app, view real-time footage, and get alerts when someone approaches your door. With expandable storage and compatibility with smart home systems like Alexa and Google Assistant, this smart lock offers convenience, security, and peace of mind for your home. Zhihoo 3-in-1 Charging Station, the ultimate solution to simplify your charging experience. This sleek and compact charging cube supports fast wireless charging for your smartphone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once. Featuring advanced Qi technology, it ensures safe and efficient charging without the clutter of multiple cables. Perfect for your home, office, or travel, this charging station combines functionality and style to keep your devices charged effortlessly. Click on the description below the video to get the product link. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to receive more exciting product recommendations. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!